It's where you probably start and end your day. So you want your bathroom to be pleasing to the eye, a place that sets a warm tone for your day or night, and even more importantly, your bathroom needs to be safe.
Yeah, we've all heard the statistics about injuries from falls in the bathroom. That's why Coastal Bay Construction set out to make sure one lucky homeowner has the best chance of staying safe when they step into one of the most important rooms of the house. And lucky for me, I got to be there when they surprised the winner of their Summer 23 Dream Bath giveaway. Shirley McDaniel of Delmar didn't see it coming.
I just want to let you know that you are the proud winner of our Dream Bath giveaway for this year. And we are going to give you a new acrylic shower, safe and just for you.
She's getting a new bathroom from Coastal Bay Construction.
It's just something that we've always wanted to do and give back, and we really want to give back to somebody that needs it.
I just love you.
Well, we love you, and you know, we're trying to just give back to our community, and we're here based out of Delmar. I was born and raised here in Delmar, so to help somebody in this community is...
It doesn't take long to see. Shirley definitely needs it.
I mean, she has a 1970s style tile surround, tile wainscot bathroom.
Oh, I just love you all. And you know what? Jesus loves you too.
Shirley, I'd ask you how you feel, but I think you said it right there.
I feel like, wow. Oh, goodness.
Dustin says, aesthetics aside, Shirley's current bathroom is in need of safety upgrades.
The most important thing is the tub that we will get rid of and give her a shower, easy step, seat to come into, grab bars, new flooring and fixtures as well.
You don't want to step over the bathtub anymore?
No.
No, it's not safe. Shirley says she's already fallen trying to get into the tub, something Dustin says is happening too often. That has many homeowners, young and old, tossing out the tub.
We probably only do a very few amount of tubs a year. Most everything is showers today.
And the materials used for showers are durable and easy to keep clean. Shirley's shower will be acrylic.
Our particular acrylic is luxury bath, and it comes with Microban, and it just is an amazing product that can now look like tile with the laser etching.
Dustin says you can wash away any worries about how acrylic will hold up. He adds the acrylic they use in today's bathrooms have a lifetime warranty. As for Shirley and her new bathroom, Dustin says he can't wait to get working on it.
She was amazing. I mean, I can't believe we came across a winner like her. I am truly blessed, and I believe she is too, to win this bathroom. And I'm so thankful her family kept it a surprise, and she was truly surprised.
And more surprises are planned for the future.
Oh yeah, so we're going to start one up here in August, and that will run for about 6 months, and then we'll give another one away in the beginning of the year.
As for Shirley, she just needs to make a few design and color choices, and it won't be long before she gets to enjoy a beautiful and safe bathroom thanks to Coastal Bay Construction.
I'm thankful for what I have.
Yeah.
I am.
Congratulations. I can't wait to see the new one. To say that Shirley deserves this bathroom, well, it's an understatement. She is one of the most positive people I've ever met. Dustin says her bathroom remodel should be completed sometime in September. We will check back so you can see the results.
My goodness, quick too.
Yes.
Quick too.